Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa. So I'm working on a layout and I'm going to be using Cartabella Boulevard's collection kit. Let's go. So another travel, because I'm still working on like travel layouts. So out of this kit, I already pulled out some papers that I want to use and also a sticker sheet from this kit. So this is the papers. These are the papers that I'd like to use. We have these dots, and this is the pattern paper at the back of it. I'm going to be also using the stripes, pattern paper behind it, this paper, and the pattern behind it. And then I'm going to be using some of these stickers, this border stickers that are here. And then we're going to use a base paper of white cardstock. So the templates that I'm going to be using are McKay Boulevard 1A and Scallops 1A. So let's get started on our layout, guys. So here I am trying to create my layout, doing a rough drawing of the layout or sketch of the layout. I created a big strip to run vertically, and then here I am trying to figure out where I was going to put the scallop stickers. Decided to put it on the smaller paper, and I'm going to be putting down here the measurements right here. This paper is a 6.5 by 12. The smaller piece is a 3 by, I'm trying to figure out 10 or 11. I think I put 11 here. On the other side, I'm trying to figure out, since I'm going to be putting two 4x6s vertical photos, I decided to make this a 9 by 9, making the other strip of paper 9 by 10, and this one to be a 9 by 9. Here is the sketch of the layout that I just did. I will put the title over there, and then journaling over here, and then that's the sticker. I'm not sure which one to use yet, but and then I will use the scallop template here, and then this is a scallop template. I mean the border, or McKay Boulevard template over here. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. All right, let's get going. Okay, so I'll cut this already. So what I'm going to do is just make this on the edge here. Let me cut this into 3 by 10. Then I'll make this into 10 inches. So just take out 2 inches at the bottom. We'll have this cut into a 9 by 9. So we have to take out 3 inches from here and 3 inches from the top. That you should be left with a 9 by 9 here. Make the scallops here. Okay, it's time to cut. Okay guys, time to ink. And I'm going to put the sticker here, and I think I'm going to put another sticker here too. So let's tack this down. These are the two pictures. You know what? I think I'm going to trim like a 1/4 inch on both sides here.
A 1/4 inch on each side. Okay guys, here's our layout. It's done. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this layout. And if you have any questions or comments, please make your comments down below. If you need any Kiwi Lane products, I do have my link down in the description box. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so I can bring to you more layouts in the future. I'll catch you guys later, and thank you. See you later. Bye.